Hey, this is Eddie here at Wunderlich, and I want to show you a very cool, exciting new product that we've come out with. We have a engine protection set. It comes in a set of two for left and right. It fits the F750, F850, and F900 models. So the fitment of these things is really, really beautiful. I mean, just holding it up to the bike before you install it, it's super easy to install. Another cool feature is on the inside of this very robust plastic, they have a silicone bead that wraps around, and the whole idea behind that is it's a little bit of a cushion, and it also presses on the case so it doesn't allow any kind of dust or dirt particles to get actually trapped between the cover and the engine casing. So when you take them off, it's not going to look all beat up. If you're kind of a minimalist and you don't want to run any kind of engine bars, but you want some good protection for your engine in case you do drop it or go down off-road, this is a very good solution for you. It's an inexpensive, robust, beautifully German-made part that will fit your F-Series BMW. So as you can see, it really fits the line of the motor. It's got a very subtle, hard to notice Wunderlich emblem on it. They're not too, crazy about making it super flashy. You're still seeing the BMW on the casing. It almost looks like a part that would be installed right out of the crate from the factory. So this is just another cool part that we have. Let me show you how easy it is to install. It should take about 5 minutes. All right, so we have everything unpackaged. I went ahead and I put all the left side parts. So you're gonna have the left side cover. You're gonna have 3 7x35 millimeter screws, and then you're gonna have 3 spacers. So first thing you wanna do is just hold it up to the bike. You'll see where you're removing that screw, and that screw. And to remove those, you're gonna need a T40. So I got that on my socket here. Go ahead and pop these out. So these screws will not be used. So we can go ahead and just put those to the side. Okay, so we got the new cover in our hand, and we're gonna be taking the spacers. I'm just gonna insert them inside the cover, like so, and then put it back up to the bike. Take the supplied 35 millimeter screws. And then all we're doing right now is just getting all 3 of the fasteners hand tight, and then we're gonna come back and torque them to spec. Okay, so to torque them to spec, all 3 gonna need to be torqued to 20 Newton meters. We offer this really nice 1/4 inch torque wrench on our website. It is really good quality and a very decent price. So with that, put a little extension on there. Once again, we're gonna be using a T40 Torx, and we're gonna set our torque wrench to 20 Newton meters, and then go ahead and give everything a torque. All right, left side is installed. You can see how beautifully it really follows the lines of the engine casing. I mean, it's just a perfect fit. Let's go ahead and let's move over to the right side. All right, here we are on the right side of the bike. We're gonna do the same thing as the left. Go ahead and take the cover and hold it up to the engine casing, and you'll see we're gonna be removing this bolt, and this bolt with a T40 Torx. So I'm gonna remove these 2 first because this one is gonna have a seal behind the bolt that we're gonna be reusing, and we're gonna be installing an additional seal that's supplied in the kit. So we'll start off with these 2 first. Okay, so you'll see when you take this bolt out, there's a special little washer that's got a seal inside the washer, and what's supplied in the kit is another similar washer with the seal in the washer, and that goes in this hole right here. So first thing we're gonna do, we'll hold it up to the bike, and then you're gonna put the seal on the 7x40 millimeter bolt, and then go ahead and put it in. And let's just get everything kind of hand tight before we go back and torque it. Go ahead and throw these in, take the spacer, throw it in there. Last one here. All right, so it's gonna be the same torque spec. We get our 1/4 inch torque wrench, make sure it's set at 20 Newton meters. We'll clear start at the top. So there you have it. That was a very easy install. You can almost do that install anywhere, your garage floor and a lift. This particular kit fits all F750, 850, and F900 models. This is just one of the many examples we have for protection for your bike. If you have any questions or want any additional information on this product or any products you've seen in the video, please see a link in the description below. And thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you on the road.